Hi, I'm Ozzy. I'll be your guide through this next video in the Learn Bondix series. Today we're going over how to add your connection code. So you've had your bonding license key sent to you from the licensing team. So what happens now? Now you need to head over to your router where you've installed the Bondix client software. If you have not done this yet, you'll need to watch our video installing the Bondix client software first. We're running Bondix on a Teltonika RUT X50, so we'll need to log into the admin control panel first. We'll put in our username and our password. The first thing you need to do once you're logged in is make sure that we are in advanced mode. Then we'll head over to Network, Bondix Sane, and Settings. If your configuration mode is set to manual, you'll need to change this to connection code. Paste your connection code into the connection box here. This is the code that you will have been sent by the licensing team via email. Make sure that you enable the connection and then you hit save and apply. In a few minutes, what will happen is your router will connect to one of our bonding servers and will start to bond your connections using the connection code that you've been allocated. These are the connections down here that will be used for bonding. You should have at least your wired connection and a primary mobile connection. The Teltonika RUT X50 and RUT X14 will only use one of these mobile connections at any one time, as they only have a single modem. If you're using an RUT X12, then all three of these connections should be in use at the same time, as they have two modems available. If you don't see a connection here that you think should be here, if you go to the Add button in the bottom right hand side, you should be able to add any missing connections in here at this point. Once you've finished adding your connections, make sure you hit save and apply. And it's always good to restart the service after any changes. Once the service restarts, then you'll start to see the connections bonding. If you talk to one of the SimpliWiFi support team, they'll be able to check the back-end server that all three or however many connections you have are all bonding through correctly. You can also check the connections and their current status by going to Network, Bondix Sane, and then Status. Here you'll see all of your various different connections and their current status, as well as information on the bonding tunnel itself. That's all there is to it. Happy bonding. See you again next time.